Let's show that these two matrices, U and V, are orthogonal with respect to the standard inner product on the space of 2 by 2 matrices. I'll leave a link in the description to the video where I introduce this standard inner product, but here it is written out just for a quick recap. The standard inner product of two matrices U and V is the trace of U transpose times V, and if you work that out, it turns out to be the sum of the products of the corresponding entries of the matrices, so it's a lot like a dot product. Now, to show these two matrices are orthogonal with respect to this inner product, we'll have to compute their inner product and show that it equals 0. And since this inner product just ends up being the sum of the products of the corresponding entries, this is a very easy computation. The inner product of U with V is defined as the trace of U transpose times V, but we know that's just 4 times V plus 3 times 0 plus -1 times 0 plus -2 times 10. In total, we've got two 0 terms, and then we have 20 minus 20. And so indeed, the inner product is equal to 0. So the vectors, which are matrices in this case, are orthogonal.